Start by using your fingers applying the product evenly all over your face. Work it into any areas which are hard to reach and may crease. Apply a little more product to the areas where you think you may need more coverage, like the chin and the forehead. I always blend differently around these areas, making sure that I cover all pores and any texture. With any excess product left over, I go back over the face, making sure that everything is nice and even. Use the warmth of your palms to push the product evenly into the skin. First off, I correct in the inner corners of my eye. This is where I take away any blue or darker tones using a concealer which is slightly more pink in tone. Now I use a concealer with slightly more coverage. You can see that I'm placing it on the face in the areas where I tend to get more redness or I might need more coverage on that particular day. Using the tips of your fingers, blend the concealer evenly over the rest of the makeup. Don't forget to cover the top of your eyelids and around the nostrils if you have any more redness there. Set the middle of your face first, don't forget to go on top of the eyes. Now for the rest of the face. I use the lid of the product to take out any product that I need for that application. Start by pushing it into all of the face and gently buffing away. Concentrate on any areas where you may be putting bronzer or blusher. I use a powder which has a slight sheen to it. This is to add the glow back into my skin after setting. Start by applying a bronzer to the outside areas of your face. With any contour, apply it directly onto the cheekbone, blending up and back towards the hairline. With the first blusher, we're going to keep it towards the back of the face, directly on top of the contour, blending up and back towards the hairline. Smile slightly to find the apples of your cheek. Apply the next blusher all over that area, up and back, so everything blends together. And there you have it, a smooth, natural complexion for you to wear day to day. Enjoy!